If you're someone that wants to publish, you probably fall into two categories. Either very particular about everything, you know how you want your book to look, how you want it to read, or you don't know much about writing, marketing, designing, and you need some help. Either way, we have a solution for you. Let's dive into our two publishing models, Outpublish and the Notion Press platform. Outpublish is a hybrid publishing model designed for authors who want the best of both worlds, the expert guidance of traditional publishing and the freedom of self-publishing. With Outpublish, you will be working with a team of professionals who will help you create, distribute and market your book successfully. Outpublish is ideal for you if you're an ambitious writer aiming for a bestseller, or a subject matter expert looking to build your brand as a thought leader, an entrepreneur who wants to use your book to grow your business, or a serious writer who wants to make an impact and reach millions of readers. This is because with Outpublish, you get extensive market research where experts analyze the market and find the best approach for your book, a customized publishing plan that includes all the services that you need to achieve your goals, expanded distribution, allowing your book to reach over 30,000 stores across 150 plus countries, published in both print and ebook formats with a professional looking book cover created by expert designers, and finally a dedicated team that identifies your book's target audience, builds your book's pitch, and promotes your books across different platforms. Overall, with Outpublish, you don't just publish your book, you build a successful product with the help of industry experts. The Notion Press platform is a DIY self-publishing platform that allows you to publish all by yourself in just a few simple steps. With the platform, you take complete control over the publishing process. If you decide to write a book today, there is no one stopping you from getting it out into the world. The platform provides you with user-friendly tools that allows you to design your own book cover, format your own interior, and publish online on the Notion Press store, Amazon, and Flipkart. The Notion Press platform is ideal for you if you're someone that wants to publish quickly, because as soon as you finish uploading your manuscript and designing your cover, you can pretty much publish. Or if you're someone that prefers full creative control because you don't need to consult anyone before you make any changes. Or if you're comfortable handling the designing, formatting and marketing all by yourself. Unlike Outpublish, the Notion Press platform is focused on speed and independence, so you can get your book out into the market much faster. And that's it for this video. If you've used Outpublish or the Notion Press platform, let us know in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!